Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here cyclopentene compound is given with 2 methyl group. 2 methyl groups are sterically specified. They are cis to each other. You are using NBS, N-bromosuccinimide and sodium hydroxide. You have to find the product. This is the interesting problem, contain various stereochemically controlled steps. If you write the product straightly, you will commit a mistake. You have to redraw the molecule in 3D way. You have to draw methyl group above the plane, then NBS. N-bromosuccinimide is the bromine donor. It attacks from the below because it's a bulky group, so it always prefers less sterically hindered state. So brominium ion is forming, and next step you are using NaOH. It's a SN2 kind of ring opening, so it needs transposition or axial position. So OH attacks from the above. So what really happened? OH become epoxide. Bromine is a good living group. It's a kind of internal SN2 reaction. So you have epoxide formation above the plane. If you redraw nicely, you have epoxide and methyl groups are syn to each other. Here the concept you have to learn here is NBS is the brominating agent and the attack of the next nucleophile always occur in the axial position, preferably transposition. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.